Hurricane Lee is expected to make landfall in the United States after tracking in from the Caribbean Sea. It is anticipated to hit somewhere along the Gulf Coast region of the United States. Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida are expected to be in the hurricane's path. Coastal areas could be severely affected, with high winds and flooding being the primary threats. As of now, Hurricane Lee is a Category 2 storm, with maximum sustained winds of 100 miles per hour. This could change as the storm approaches
Major
landfall.
cities
On the Gulf Coast, such as Houston, Galveston, Mobile, New Orleans, and Tampa, could face serious damage. The hurricane could cause deadly flooding along the coast, as well as high winds. In addition, the storm surge could be quite large. Preparations should be made ahead of the storm, as evacuations may be necessary. It is essential to stay up to date with the latest forecasts. If you live in the region, make sure to have a disaster kit that includes important documents, food, water, and supplies. Depending on the path of the storm and its intensity, other areas could also be affected. For example, areas such as the Florida Keys, the Panhandle, and the Big Bend could see impacts as well. It is advised to prepare for the worst and hope for the best as the storm approaches. The effects of the storm could range from power outages to toppled trees and structural damage. In some places, effects could be felt even before the storm actually makes landfall. Coastal areas will be the most vulnerable as the storm continues to churn near the coast. Food shortages and looting could occur if the storm lingers in the area for too long. Weak structures could be at risk for collapse if the winds are strong enough. Be sure to check if your home is up to building code if possible. Make sure to keep your gas tank filled in case of evacuation is necessary. For those living in a surge-prone area, be ready to evacuate if ordered to do so. It's important to know the evacuation plans for your area. Double-check the batteries in your flashlight, have extra cash on hand, and have a plan for your pets. Residents who live in mobile homes should evacuate right away. Listen to the advisories from the National Weather Service and your local forecast office. Follow advice from local officials and evacuate if ordered to do so. Be ready to take shelter if the storm takes a turn towards you. Have designated shutters, storm surge protection measures, and prepare your home for the worst.